sift 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Definitely inhaled that. Then we are going to do 1/2 cup of sugar. And I use organic raw sugar, and it does not give me headaches. I get headaches from refined sugar, white sugars, but I use raw sugar. And then this is supposed to be 1/3 of brown sugar, but brown sugar also gives me headaches, so I did coconut sugar mixed with raw sugar because I ran out of coconut sugar. So, but I've also made it with just all raw sugar, and it's still really good. So you can do that too. Pinch of salt. We whisk that together. Two cups of cream. Just kidding. Actually supposed to be a cup of kefir first. Of peppermint oil. Oh, smells so good. And now it's ready to be put into the fridge. Okay, it stopped moving. We're gonna shut it off. And then I'll just transfer that really quick into the bowl. I'm using a different bowl than last night because the one that I put it in didn't have a lid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.